3mm hook size, black, blue, dark blue, and white yarn. Now let's get started, and I'm going to start with the black yarn, and we have to make a center part for an able eye. To make a center part, I'm going to use 4-ply yarn, double yarn, and after this we have to make a magic ring. Chain 1, and into the magic circle we have to do 9 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tighten up the yarn, and I'm going to do 1 slip stitch into the first half double crochet and chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off. Hide this yarn. Center part of an evil eye is ready here, so now we are going to change the color. Make a slip knot, and then we are going to insert this slip knot in any stitches here. After doing this, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, count as a 1 half double crochet, and another half double crochet into the same stitches. Do 2 half double crochet in every stitches. 1, and then 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, chain 1, and cut the yarn and fasten off. Hide the yarn. Now we are going to change the color with a white one, so I'm going to bring a white yarn for now and make a slip knot and join this slip knot in any stitches. Chain 3, count as a 1 half double crochet, and now we are going to do is this is 1 half double crochet, and we are going to do 1 more half double crochet, and then 1 double crochet in any of the stitches, 1 double crochet and 1 increase. one half double crochet and 1 half double crochet increase. So now I'm going to increase the patterns here by making 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet into the next stitch, 2 half double crochet into the next stitches, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the same stitch here, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. Repeat the same thing until we reach the last part of this round. At last, make a slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3, right over here. Make a 1 slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off, and hide this yarn into the near stitches. So now we have this, and we are going to make a two center part of an evil eye, and this is already 1, and I'm going to make a 2 with the black, blue and white. Just finished making this center part of an evil eye. So now let's move into the last part, and for the last part we are going to join this part together, and we are going to use this blue one. So first of all, I'm going to make one slip knot, just a slip knot, and after this we have to join it together. Make a 1 single crochet, and we are going to make a single crochet in every stitches. Just a 1 single crochet. After this, I'm going to insert a fiber inside it, one slip stitch first, and after this I'm going to make a chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after this we have to attach this key rings inside it, but before that I'm going to attach this, make a slip stitch, and then chain 1, cut the yarn. And I'm going to attach this key rings holder inside this EVLI. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I just finished this pattern, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy crocheting. Bye bye.